Hydrothermal explosion causes damage in area of Yellowstone National Park on Tuesday. A hydrothermal explosion in Yellowstone National Park damaged a boardwalk and sent debris several stories into the air Tuesday morning in the Biscuit Basin area northwest of Old Faithful. The explosion, which scientist in charge Michael Pollan said was a small one, happened around 10 a.m. Tuesday about 2.1 miles northwest of Old Faithful, likely in the Black Diamond Pool in Biscuit Basin. Biscuit Basin's parking lot and boardwalks are temporarily closed for safety. Yellowstone National Park geologists are investigating the explosion, but say data shows no out-of-the-ordinary volcanic activity.